This audio is gonna be garbage because I'm recording this on an iPhone with a mask on, but okay, so I've got a con on Sunday, and I'm going to this book center. This is the hoodie. This is fake blood. This is also fake blood. We're gonna be basically splashing the shit out of this, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I need to get scissors. It's a lot more liquidy than I thought it would be. Fuck, okay. Well, I found a pencil. Oh, shit, there's... Oh, yeah, fake blood on me. Damn. Okay. I can't see any of this blood. Soap them. Shittily, soap them. Alright, we're gonna splash it on the hoodie now. So that happened.
Wait for the science like a house full of flies. Hello Kitty and McGruff have an unholy alliance. Science is brutal and it cuts like a knife. Not even Obi-Wan can see the yodel of life. Your name is Bob. Hear my heart throb. I lost my job when I got fired by a guy named Fargy. He was full of starch. He smelled like an orangutan's old apartment. Found a hobo in my room. What do I do? He looks dead, full of blood. Really glad on my bedspread. And he also seems to be missing his head. Why am I holding this gun?
Alright, we're gonna use some of the spray stuff now. Because... Here, hold me close that too. Okay. So, my hands are bloody. I'm gonna roll this on the ground now, so... Epic, cut to that, I guess.
Pokemon on the run. Suzuki-san is the formation of a bun and a veggie burger with Suzuki and Bono. JJ has gone away with Sunny Bono to the afterlife to visit Barney's fight and see throw screenshots of his life. Just and one, wearing a pretty dress and to the Mario, to see the is not magic like a monkey. Body slam the rubber ducky, just like in the match of Earth versus Monkey. Lucky, nice to meet you. I need tea for two. How about you, Mr. Coldheart? Or should I say Professor? It looks like Russell got revenge on my dresser.
Comes to me, he's the real deal. His friends all call him Mr. Peel. He's a computer geek, he doesn't shine for a week. He's so hard, his kind of chic. Single-handedly came to face the natties and all my every celebrity you never forget. He's done over single handedly. Spring comes black.
Alright, for the most part. I'll let that dry and I'm gonna clean my hand because I look like I murdered somebody. Okay, so this thing is still drying. I'm still, okay. Oh my God. This thing, my hands are still very red. It makes me look like I'm dying. So, this looks awesome, I guess, but my hands are, my hands are bright red, so we're gonna have to, I'm gonna try to clean that off more. I've got school in like 10 minutes, but here's the outfit. Here's what it looks like now. Pretty freaking good. I'd say this was a success.